Shops on Old Trail. Sound like they were talking to you. I know, I'm just joking. Just having fun with you. Axolotl. My camera flips all the time. That's so cute. Pretty cool little store. Here by the Susquehanna Mall. Cute.
Like little spiders.
Stitching Sarah.
Yeah, I gave you one. I gave it back to you when I showed you the price. Oh.
These little bananas.
It's awesome. So cute.
Little banana butt.
The spider. Do you see the hot dog?
Oh yeah.
That hot dog's super cute. Yeah, that's adorable. My money spender. Carpet deodorizer. Which way you go? I was gonna go your way.
I'm waiting for it. I have to ask for someone to come over here.
What's up?
I have to ask for someone to come over here.
You getting any?
Probably not though.
It is annoying, isn't it? Oh, the Pokemon cards. They're always locked up, aren't they?
So they usually have to be.
Got a lot of Terrifier pins. A lot of home decor. Yeah, I'm not a piano player. I think it's too cute. Turtle. Oh, that's a turtle. It's elephants. Long day in the heat. Halloween zone.
How does a single antler cost more than a freaking skull?
Single antler?
Over there we have antlers and a skull. Guess what? 65 for a skull, for a singular antler, 110.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's crazy. I wonder if it's because it's the way it is. Like it's abnormal. I don't know.
It's not that abnormal.
I guess it's the one half, right?
Yeah.
I was looking at it wrong.
But look, it's if you have like a duck hide.
I always like that kind of mount. With the skull.
Yeah.
They call that a Texas mount?
I think so, yeah.
And that's a decoy, right?
Look at these antlers.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this one looks like you could put a fake hide on it. Or a hide on it.
A fake hide, a fake
Not
fish
a
hide?
fake hide. You know what I mean? Don't be annoying.
Yeah, put a fake fish hide on that.
Snaggy boy.
Like, I'm gonna go catch me a
Look at
trout
this.
and put a hide on it. That's cute. I want to see you put a hide on that fish. Crikey. I don't even know what that thing is. I'm gonna knock it over. That stuff on it. It's crazy looking. Look, this is up your alley right here.
Yeah, I never looked at it.
Is that a mink or no?
Looks like a mink.
Huh, I was right. Mink.
I just
For some reason I thought I was gonna be wrong. That's how I know I'm old. I know what Toys R Us is.
Yeah.
Does anybody else know Toys R Us?
Look at this little bowl.
You were at Toys R Us before, weren't you?
Yeah.
So I guess it's not that old, right? Skillets.
You get clothes on the ones left and you roll them.
So, when you have kids, you're gonna say about Toys R Us, and then you'll be old. And should. Probably a lot of noise, isn't that? It's pottery. Very country-ish in here. Like a lot of the stores in here. This is the Shamokin Dam area. I don't see the Shamokin Dam. I don't see your damn dam. Cowboys, Penn State. Close to Penn State right now. Old bottles. Did you say pennies?
Pennies and coins. There's a penny over there.
Yeah. I wanted to make fun of you.
We got penny right here.
All kinds of stuff in here. She's making fun of me. That is a creepy pig.
I should get that for you.
That you messed up. Now I got the hiccups. These stores, they all blend, let's say. There's a bathroom here. Is that Beethoven? Dun 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 dun. Etch a sketch. Bigfoot. Jeez Louise. How much is that? I hope that's a decimal, right?
I hope so.
Yeah, I see a decimal. $49. $4,900. Holograms, they're kind of cool. Man, they're there with that decimal point. Get going, Daniel.